Hello everyone and welcome back to the first-person shooter tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to automatically reload the weapon when we run out of ammo. So let me show you what we are going to do. Now when I reach 0 ammo, I'm reloading the weapon. For the sake of simplicity, we are not going to make any reload animations with the gun, but maybe later in the course we will implement that. Okay, so let's get started. Open up the content drawer. So in the main folder, widgets, let's open up the player HUD widget blueprint. Now let's get a text, click and drag onto the overlay, and over here, make it vertical alignment in the middle. And let's add padding to the left, maybe 50 like this. And let's put the text here, reloading. Now very important, we have to make this as a variable. And over here, we're going to name this reloading text. Reloading underscore txt for text. So now when I play the game, I'm seeing this text. Now let's hide this from the screen. Go back to the player HUD. So go to the search bar and type visibility. So for optimization, you do not select hidden, you have to select collapsed. I have another tutorial for this, you can check it out. So collapsed. Now when we play the game, we won't see the text. Okay, let's go back. Next we have to go to the graph and let's create a new function. So we're going to call this reloading text. And here we have reloading underscore txt. So click and drag onto the graph, select get, and from here type set visibility. So it is selected, Ctrl D to duplicate, put in the target. So this one is going to be not hit testable, self only. This means it's going to be shown on the screen, it's going to be visible, and this is better for optimization instead of visible. Also, I have a whole tutorial for this, so check it out. So I'm going to select this one, this is the visible, and this is going to be collapsed. Now select this reloading text node. So with this node selected, we're going to add input, and this is going to be a boolean. So let's rename this to be show reloading text. Now we need to call a branch, hold down B and left click, connect the condition, and I will show you why we are doing this in a second. So compile and save. So this function is called reloading text. Now let's go back to the map and open the content drawer. Go to the actors, and we need BP first person character. Now find the left click when you are shooting bullets. Now first thing we need to do is to create a variable. It's going to be boolean, and we are going to name it out of ammo. Compile and save. Now let's detach this for a second, put them on the side. Now when you shoot projectile, we need to check if we are out of ammo. So from here, so hold down B and left click to call a branch. So now we are checking if we are out of ammo. If we are out of ammo, from the true, we don't want to do anything because we are out of ammo. But if we are not out of ammo, if we still have bullets, then we want to shoot projectile and to deduct one projectile. Now compile and save. Now let's see if this is working. back to the first person character. Now that's why in this set current ammo, we have created this current ammo return. So if you double click, now we are in the player HUD where we have created this function. So now when we come to the 0 bullets, so from the return we go equals, hold down B and left click to check. Now when you shoot with a gun, the current ammo, which is this one, this is our current ammo. When we come to 0, now we can continue programming from here, from the true, but that's not going to be very nice because the code is going to be quite large over here. So instead, we're going to go underneath here, and let's right click and type custom event, and name this custom event out of ammo or reloading question mark. This will make a lot more sense later on, so make sure to name this like this. So now, whatever we're going to create in the custom event, we can call it over here by simply right click and typing the name of the custom event. So out of ammo or reloading. So from the true, connect like this. So if we double click, it will take us straight to this custom event. Now everything we are going to create over here with the blueprints is going to be fired from this pin here. Now get the player HUD. So from here we're getting the reload ammo. So this is the get reload ammo variable. So this variable, we are calling it from the graph from the player HUD from here. So we have current ammo and reload ammo. So that's why there's no need of casting. We are calling these variables directly from the widget variable. We're getting the reload ammo, drag a pin and type equal. And now we are checking if we have 0 reload ammo. So hold down B and left click to call a branch. Connect this. So if we have 0 reload ammo, we want to get this variable. So set. And now we are going to set to true. And let's right click and type print string. And we can type here out of ammo. So that's why when you're shooting with a left click, we are checking if you are out of ammo. So when you come to 0 ammo, we cannot shoot anymore. So if it falls, let's get this out of ammo and Control D to duplicate. So we are setting this to true, which means we don't have ammo. So from here, get the player HUD. So now we are going to call the reloading text function. So we need reloading text. Now let's connect this. Now with this boolean checked, we're going to show the text. If you remember, in the player HUD, we have created reloading text. Now with this input here, we are setting it to true. And we are showing this reloading text on the screen. Back to the character. And now to reload the weapon, let's right click and type custom event and type reloading. And from this output delegate, drag a pin and type timer. So we need set timer by event. Now we can detach this, we don't need it. So here we're going to put 2 seconds, which means when you are out of ammo after 2 seconds. So from here, instead of promoting this to variable, we don't need to promote this to variable because we're going to use it only once. So drag a pin and type clear. So clear and invalidate timer by handle. So after 2 seconds, we're going to clear this timer. And now get the player HUD. And we need to drag a pin and type set current ammo. So this is the function inside. And here we're going to type 30 because we want to reload the ammo by 30. So this is the current ammo to 30. And let's set reload ammo. So set reload ammo. So minus 30. Each time when we are reloading, we're going to set the current ammo to 30. And we are going to take minus 30 of the reload ammo, which is this one. So this is going to be back to 30. And from here 120, we're going to reduce 30. So minus 30 from this. And very important to get the out of ammo variable. So set to false, which means we can shoot again. And also we have to remove the reloading text on the screen. So get the player HUD. And from here, reloading text is going to be set to false. Now, if you want to set animations for the reloading, you can do it over here. Now let's see if this is all working. I will play the game. Now I'm clicking, nothing happens. And now we have reloaded. It works perfectly fine. Okay, now let's rearrange a bit the code. So we can get this custom event and put it all the way on the side. That way our code is more organized. What you can do is on this reloading custom event, you have these 3 dots here. You can click them and you can type reloading and click this over here. Now when you scroll out, you can see this message. So you know this is reloading. Alright, this is going to be it for this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned how to automatically reload the weapon when run out of ammo. In the next tutorial, we're going to learn how to reload the weapon when we press the R key or any key you want. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.